Let's talk about the t-test. The t-test compares the means of two groups to determine whether the difference is statistically significant. And the assumptions in related to t-tests are: one, the data is normally distributed; two, the two groups have equal variances; and three, observations are independent. Thus, we have the following formula for t-test. T equals to x1 bar minus x of 2 bar all over the square root of s1 square over n1 plus s2 square over n2, where s1 square and s2 square, these are sample variances of the two groups. n1 and n2 are sample sizes of the two groups. Sample variances of the two groups, and then we have n1 and 2. These are the sample sizes of the two groups. Okay. Next, the related hypothesis in conducting t-tests. We have the null hypothesis H0. The means of the two groups are equal. Mu1 equals mu2. And of course, our alternative hypothesis H1, the means of the two groups are not equal. That is mu1 not equal to mu2. So we have some examples that we can mention. Example number 1, we can compare the average monthly profits of businesses using digital marketing versus those using traditional advertising. So here we have two groups: those using digital marketing and those using traditional advertising. Another example is that we test if the mean annual return of two different stock portfolios is the same. Another example, compare the average daily sales of two retail stores in different locations. Okay, I think that concludes our sharing about t-tests, and I hope you can use this test in conducting your research, particular to your methodology.